It's hard not to compare them to those who still make samurai swords by hand, as it's something so uniquely Japanese. They have been hand-building wheels since 1965, and since then, where the sand cast wheels are created, has been a very closely guarded secret. In fact, we're the very first people to capture this age-old process on camera for the car culture world to see of how antiquated the process actually is. The method is very tedious, and as technology has advanced, it's become incredibly inefficient to produce wheels in this fashion. It takes an entire week for them to make 11 sandcast wheels. We first started our journey in the aluminum metal cast wheel area, where they produce the most common sizes. I've seen a lot of cool things. Core of the molten aluminum. It's 750 degrees Celsius in there. Look, they're just scooping it out like water. Look at that. It's a two-man operation. At first I was thinking, okay, maybe this is something I can help them with just to say that I made a wheel, but this is like way scarier than I anticipated. Where they have the molten metal in, it is so hot. Like, my face hurts, it's that hot. We had a chance to watch them do these two, and they're just still so hot. I can feel the heat just coming off of it. But yeah, that's how the cast wheel is made. That's how you see the natural texture and everything on this wheel is just the way it comes. They just have to clean it up, and then it's a wheel ready to run on your whatever car, tuner car. While this was so incredible to see so many other wheel manufacturers make wheels this way, what is unique to RS Watanabe are the sandcast wheels.
So if he gets sick tomorrow, your wheels are not gonna be grilled. Because there is no manual.
Wait, so How long has he been drilling?
It is like better product than that factory product. Because
We need to modernize a little more.
so to be honest, I'm a modern businessman, so I think a lot about efficiency or something. I have offered him to discontinue the sand mold. It doesn't make any sense to me. But Mr. Watanabe replied me, he doesn't want to discontinue it because Watanabe's, like their spirit is like, we're making it for you, hand built. So,
It's the last. RS Watanabe started out racing in F4 and
JWL Mark, so.
Yep.
But like, we go way above the JWL. We drive this car, we race with them, so.
just to make sure
Yeah.
it'll withstand like curb hopping.
Yeah, and that things you can never test in JWL if you don't drive or if you don't race. So we also care about those things, like that your tire is not moving when it's mounted on the wheel. The concept is like winning the race. So
How light is that wheel?
it's real light, like less than 8 pounds. It's less than